I want to debunk 3 myths, completely wrong, that been like buzzed all around all the speeches in these major events from the vendors and suppliers, and also from top managers from brands. First of all, we have this statement, which is to use AI, you need data. You need good data, and no, it's completely false. The current state of the art of AI, large language models, can do a lot for you without the need of any data. And honestly, at the opposite, you can use them to fix your data and prepare more data and collect more data to do many things. In the first, shots, you should really care about simple processes you can automate, where you can replace human-based labor with AI automation simply by swapping the contribution from humans and introducing machines to do stuff. For example, shooting, for example, customer service, for example, quality assurance, for example, supply chain management, data analytics, product development, research. All these areas have very concrete stuff and processes you can automate, and where you can find a lot of meat. And by meat, I mean 80% cost saving, 90% cost saving, or 60 or 50% cost saving, and automating the process. You can scale all over the world by geography and go deep in your collection. You can go wide and do a complete different work by augmenting and elevating the chance of your small teams, where you can keep all the value of the seniorities you have. You can keep all the values of the know-how from the humans, but delegating to processes that being automated can go much broader and stronger and fast. And this is where you can really capitalize on AI now. It's not about complex stuff, it's not about data. Second myth is about this big misunderstanding between personal use of AI, so ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude, whatever, and process automation, which means I introduce agents, workflows, models that can be scaled into an entire process. For example, automation of customer service, ticket management. So AI will, from now, reply to all the first level customer requests for support on your e-commerce. Like Klarna saving 40 million in 1 year. This is what I'm talking about. So this is the kind of AI you need. All the buzz around the tool is not very relevant. It can be useful, it's good, stay up to date, you should. But really, to understand this difference, read AI Traction book, join the free community, connect with me. I can really suggest you all the business case you should start from of AI automation for processes, where you can find the meat, the cost saving, or the big return of the investment. Third big myth, which is completely false, is AI projects are big tech projects and they are expensive. Completely wrong. So the old AI was exactly like this. So developing your own deep learning, machine learning stuff, research, train, long processes. Forget that. Now we're talking about integration of large language model or more specialized models into simple, very simple processes that where you have like 5 tasks, you get 4 and you replace them 4 with AI. And I'm talking about creating image on model, videos, creating marketing stuff, content. So for example, content for website, content for product pages, content for emails, content for marketing campaigns. All these things start from simple things and start replacing and using AI automation. AI automation is something a good supplier or vendor can propose to you very lean. In some weeks, company like consultant like me or AI automation agency can prepare for you simple projects tailor-made for you that do not require complex software development, engineer, and a lot of nerds working on it. No, just fast go-to-market testing, a lot of cost reduction, and go save money. Try to capitalize on this if you are a decision maker or manager and you're struggling to really understand how do I use AI inside my business. Well, the answer is automation of processes. You can start from big cost, big volumes, and simple things that behind have this big cost, and start by automating them. It's a new area. It's something different from the old approach. Automating things. It's fast, it's strong, it's big. If you still struggle on like understanding which is the right process to automate for you, get in touch. Join my community, and or if you are in Milan, let's meet for a drink. Really, would be very happy to advise you on some project and to share my experience with you, and to exactly talk about what I'm building with many different brands in fashion and luxury. So let's go.